Hey, this is John and Andrea, and we're about to catch a bee swarm. There is a beautiful bee swarm, and we want to get them into that box. Andrea's gonna...
I'm just doing a little coating.
She's gonna put some sugar water.
Just to get them a little happier.
When we drop them in that box, we want them to be happy and stay there like they found a nice home. That is a pretty massive swarm. I'm going to attempt to cut it out and then bring it over the box and drop it in. That ought to be fun.
Oh God. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Well, we got a good number in there. We didn't get as many as we had hoped. I can see them reconstituting over here. So they'll form another ball and we can hopefully pick them up. It's a little bit lower to the ground, easier to manage. They all reconstituted down low. We've got a bucket. So I'm gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna knock them in, and Andrew's gonna pick them up. Here we go.
Holy mother, this is...
There's a lot of bees.
Oh my God, honey, that was so many bees. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid on. No, 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 no.
That was exciting. Okay.
There is more bees than they know what to do with in there.
There's a few more over there on the ground. Hopefully, if we got the queen, they are going to smell her
Stay in there.
and call the others. Take another 10-15 minute break and try it again. Well, on our second attempt, pretty sure we got the queen, and then the rest of them all smelled her
And stayed in.
and decided, okay, let's go find the queen. There's very few over here. So we're just gonna let them sit here probably till tomorrow, and then we'll pick them up.
Pick them up and move them to their regularly scheduled program.
And that's probably over there between those two.
That was exciting.
It's been a long day, but to buy that many bees, it's hundreds of dollars. So
Yeah, that was a huge swarm.
we stop what we're doing, and it doesn't matter how tired we are, you gotta go and get them.
Yeah.
So
We've never had to try one that high before, so, but, you know, they seem to be very happy where they are, so.
we should have beat them into the tub the first time, but, you know, we're kind of new at this. But we got them! Yay! Alright, thanks for watching. If you want to come see our bees, if you're local, please do so. If you want to buy some of our honey, we still got some left, and we'll be harvesting in July.
Yep.
Otherwise, just another day on the farm, huh?
Yep.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. You get more videos. Hit that bell as well. And we will see you soon on the homestead. All right.
Bye.
Bye.